Hey, hello my friend, welcome to the channel. What do you do when you finish a new body of work or a new series, or you have an open studio event or a show or an online release? How do you market your art? How do you sit down and create a marketing plan? The reality, my friend, is that most artists don't actually do that. What they do is they go to social media, they make a few posts, they send an email, and then they cross their fingers. Hopefully that will do the sales. That was going to make the magic so they can sell the art. And the reality, my friend, is that if you want to have a successful event that generates more sales for your art, you need what's called a marketing plan. Now, marketing plans are difficult to do. I know, because I sit with artists one-on-one where I help them to take a calendar and actually build a full marketing plan for their release or for their open studio or event. But today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an incredible marketing plan like you have never done it before, with a tool that I built specifically just for that. And the best part is totally free, and you can have it today if you watch this video. My name is Sergio Gomez. I'm an artist, curator, gallery owner, author, and co-founder of the Art Next Level program. And my goal with this channel is to make marketing and art business easy so that you can grow your art career, find new opportunities, sell more art, and spend more time creating in the studio. So if you like that, make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the little bell so that you receive notifications of our future videos. All right, my friends, so we are here and I have built this awesome tool that is online based that's called the Ultimate Marketing Calendar AI Prompt Generator. Because here's what happens when you are trying to create a marketing plan. Maybe you're already using AI and you go to ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or any other AI and you say, hey, how do I, or help me create a marketing plan to release these paintings on Instagram, or to promote my show, or to write this email. And that is good, but you're not getting the best results because it sounds generic. It sounds like AI wrote it. And part of that is because the problem is not AI, the problem is on the prompt. So what I have done is, with this tool, I have focused on building the most amazing prompt that then you can just take it to your own AI so it can give you the best result, because your AI already knows you. Most tools out there, they actually build the marketing plan for you, but those AI, doesn't exactly know the best way as your own AI knows you, the one that you use every day because you already use it for your art or for your promotions or for the things that you are doing. So that's why this tool is different, and that's why it's so powerful. And I'm going to show you here how it works. There are 5 parts to this tool, which I'm going to show you right now. The first section is a questionnaire that asks about your event. When is the event? When is the day? What type of event it is? Is it an open studio? Is it a show? Is it online release? You name it. There are different categories. You pick the one that relates to you. Then you're going to pick if this is a local event, regional, national, online, mix, and then you're going to describe it, exactly, say as much as you can about the event. What is the venue? What's the concept or idea? What makes this event special for you? How many pieces are you going to have in the show, etc. Anything that you can think of about the event, you're going to write it down here. And then it's going to ask you how many weeks until your event. So, for example, I recommend, and here you have my recommendation, is 4 weeks. When I work with artists on a marketing plan, we do a 4-week plan. We say, okay, we got 4 weeks until the event happens. So on week 1, we're going to do this. On week 2, we're going to do that. On week 3, week 4. This tool is exactly going to do just that. What I sit down with an artist for 1 hour, this tool is going to do it for you in seconds or in minutes, super fast. So what you're going to do then, after you pick how many weeks you have, which again, I suggest you use the 4-week if you can. But sometimes, you get an emergency, like, hey, I have to plan something for the weekend. So then just put a 1 week, right? Or 2, whatever it works for you. Have you done this before? If you have done this before, say yes or no, or many times or not times, etc. If you have any collaborators or co-hosts, you can put in there as well. In the section 2, of the questionnaire, here is going to ask you about who are you trying to reach. So what platforms are you going to be using? For example, say, I use Instagram, I'm going to use my email, and I'm going to use direct outreach. Maybe you don't have these other things. Or, well, for sure, I'm going to have a website and online shop. So, you pick and choose
your platforms. Then the target audience. This is one of the most important parts of it, because when artists go to ChatGPT or their AI of choice, often they forget to say, what is their target audience. So what you're doing is ChatGPT is giving you a response, but it's not the best response because it's geared towards other artists, right? So you're pretty much talking to other artists instead of the people that you're trying to reach to sell your art. So here, for example, in target audience, I would write art collectors, or maybe art lovers, or maybe you're doing something for interior designers. Pick exactly who is your target audience. Be specific. You don't put every target audience that there is in the world. Otherwise, your marketing is going to be too general. You got to be specific. Then it's going to ask you about if you have an email list, how big is your email list? That's important too. Put it there. And very important, what is your number one goal? And here I have things like sell my art, or grow my email list, or get gallery or press attention, or bring people to event in person, or build visibility, or launch something, or connect. And you may say, Sergio, very important. Yes, but pick which one is the most important. I mentioned this artwork. That's do sell your art. And as you promote your work, besides selling your art, it will also generate probably visibility, will help grow your email list, and so on, right? Those are kind of results of that as well. But pick what is your number one goal for this particular event. Now, the next section is where you talk about the art, and this one is super important too. You're gonna describe the artwork that you are doing, how many, how big, price range, etc. And then you're going to talk about what's the story, what's the inspiration behind this collection, this artwork, these pieces, this open studio. So here's where you get to talk about the inspiration behind the art. And this is one of the most important parts, because again, when artists go to ChatGPT or other tools, they often skip that. And that's exactly what AI needs the most in order to build the most customized result. So that's why here, super important that you talk about that. People connect to your story, not just the art, not just how it looks like, but also, what are the stories behind it. Now you may say, well, Sergio, my art is very abstract. I don't tell a story. That's okay. Talk about the emotion. Talk about your feelings. Talk about what was happening when you created those paintings. Talk about, what were you thinking about that day, for example. Find something. There's always has to be something. And I'm 100% sure there was always something that was happening when you created that artwork. If you have any press galleries or VIPs to notify, you put those there. Are you willing to run a giveaway? And I put this question because when I meet with an artist to create a marketing plan, I always ask him, hey, you want to do a giveaway? Because a giveaway can help you build momentum, can help you build your email list, can help you in different ways. And, sometimes they say yes or no, or sometimes like, tell me more. Yeah, maybe I'll go for it. So you have exactly the three options. You can say yes or maybe or no giveaway. So I'm going to say no giveaway plan for this particular one. Next section is your style and capacity. Are you just starting out when it comes to marketing, or you have some experience, or you're fairly experienced and you just need a plan? I'm going to say fairly comfortable. Now, the next one is super important too. It is something that typically you would not tell your AI, which is how much time do you have per week to devote to your marketing? Because it's going to analyze that and it's going to give you a recommendation based on how much time you have. There's a big difference if you only have 1 hour in the whole week versus if you have 5 hours to market your art, to really put this plan into action. There's no use that, we build a super complex marketing plan and calendar if you have no time to execute. It will be totally useless and it will fail. So we don't want that to happen. So that's why this is super important. And then you're going to say if you are comfortable at creating maybe photos of your artwork, studio pictures, video reels, written captions. Maybe you don't want to go live, so I'm not going to click that. But email newsletters, whatever it is that you're comfortable with, that you can create, and you type that in. What is your biggest marketing challenge right now? And be honest, say what. Going to help you to address that challenge, to help you in the areas of your weakness, which is very important. And then finally, before we are done, is you're going to answer here, which AI will you paste this prompt into? And Claude is the one I recommend because that's the one I'm using. I really like Claude. But you can also use ChatGPT or Google Gemini or any other AI tool of your choice. Doesn't matter. You pick, you choose. Still, it's going to work just fine with either one. So I'm going to say ChatGPT because most people use ChatGPT. And any additional context, any additional information, maybe, you forgot to say that, this open studio that you're doing is also part of a local event with other artists in the area, and you are one of them and you're participating. Or maybe you may want to add that, you're going to have some great drinks and bites, whatever you think, might be useful to know. If you were sitting with me telling me about this event, because I'm going to help you build your marketing plan, what else do I need to know? And that's exactly what this forum is all about. Imagine that when you're sitting down in this forum, I'm asking you those questions so that I can give you my best help. Once you have that, all you got to do is now you click on build my AI prompt. And it's always free. This is not like a subscription or try it 5 times and now you had to pay. It's always free. You can use it as many times as you want, as in an hour, in a day, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's always free. So you click. All right. So this is the resulting page. I had already done that before I recorded the video. I had already filled the whole thing out so that we didn't have to waste time from you typing, while I was recording. So this is the result of that. It says your prompt is ready. Give you here the instructions. Simple, easy. You just click copy prompt below, open your AI, paste the prompt, and now your AI will write your full 4-week roadmap, emails, captions, press releases, and all in your own voice. Ask follow-up questions or request changes in the same conversation. So here's the prompt that has been built for you. You don't even have to read it. You just click copy prompt. There it is. I'm doing that right now. It says copy. And then pick the AI that you're using. I'm going to say open ChatGPT. There is my ChatGPT coming up right now. There we go. I'm just going to go and paste the prompt and hit enter. And then just wait for the marketing plan to come up. There it is, a strategic overview. Sergio, this campaign is not really about your paintings. It's about inviting people into an experience. The paintings become the doorway, right? Wonderful. Because your audience is relatively small, again, it's addressing everything that I said in the form. The strategy is not to reach thousands of people. The strategy is to deepen connection with the people already paying attention. The story of these ocean storms, the darkness, the turbulence, which are the paintings that you see in the back, the light breaking through. It fits perfectly with the way you already speak about art as a sanctuary where the spiritual intersects with the human experience. Over these 4 weeks, we will move people from curiosity to connection to collecting. So how does AI know that, my work as an artist deals with, this idea of a sanctuary where the spiritual intersects with the human condition? How in the world does it know it? That wasn't a question in the questionnaire. The reason it knows it because I'm using my own AI. I'm using, the same account that I use for other things here in ChatGPT. And that's why I built this tool this way, to generate a prompt versus generating the entire response, because that would sound generic. I want it to sound like you. And this tool will help it sound just like you. Now here, for example, you have week 1, what to do in the first week, the task list, the theme. In fact, you even have a note from me, note from Sergio. Please don't attend events. It's people it's because of days. They attend because of stories. About opening people into the journey to see the destination. That's a note, something I would say to you if I was sitting down with you, coaching you on building your marketing calendar. Again, because this tool, this prompt has been built using my own marketing advice. That makes it amazing. It makes it wonderful. It's great. You have the save the email, for example, to the Open Studio, the personal VIP invitation message, save the date, Instagram caption. Everything is ready for you to copy and paste. The press release that I can use. And now it comes week number 2. Again, I have another note from Sergio. In other words, you get to hear some of my notes. Many artists spend all their energy looking for new stories. Don't overlook the people already paying attention. This week is about making them feel seen. Again, a personal note from me, to you. So, that's exactly what this tool is all about. So, I want you guys to use it as much as you can, as much as you want. Totally free. Doesn't require a login to use the AI prompt generator, and then just copy paste it to your own AI. Now, what's also compared to other tools is that because now it's in your own AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, whatever you use, is now a thread. There is a conversation. So you can get back to it at any time. Or you can say, oh, you know what? I forgot to mention something super important. I forgot to mention that I will also release print. I will also release a limited edition of each print. So now I can add that there, right? Say, this is important, needs to be there. So I just enter that information. And because I'm already in my chat, I don't have to go back to the tool and start all over. There's no need to do that because you're already here in your AI. And so you can make adjustments as you go. And it will give you the recommendations. So there it is, there we go. Now the question is like, how do I get it? How can I get access to the AI generator tool? So the Ultimate Marketing Calendar AI Prompt Generator. So what you gotta do, my friend, is go to theartistnextlevel.com/AI tool. Again, theartistnextlevel.com/AI tool. I'm gonna put a link in the description. I'm also going to put a link in the first comment also of this YouTube video so that you can get it. All you gotta do is just go there, give me your email and name, and I'll send it to you totally free so you can use it as many times as you want. Like I said, there's no login, no subscription of any sort. It's totally free. You just save the link and then you can use it forever. So thank you, my friend, for watching this. Please share it with other artists because this is going to change your art marketing forever.
But wait, before you leave this video, if you are an artist who wants to grow your art career and wants to achieve greater success, make sure you check out the Art Next Level program. You will find a link under this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video that we have recommended just for you.